In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete empty or blank rows using Filter in Google Sheets. If your spreadsheet has gaps or unused rows scattered through your data, using a filter is one of the easiest ways to isolate those blank rows and remove them cleanly. This method is especially helpful when you are working with a large sheet and don't want to scroll manually looking for empty lines one by one. To begin, select your entire data range. If you want to grab everything quickly, you can press Ctrl and A on Windows or Command and A on Mac to highlight the whole sheet. This makes sure the filter applies across all the data you are working with, instead of just a small section. Next, go to the Data menu at the top of Google Sheets and click Create a Filter. Once you do that, you'll see green filter icons appear in your column headers. That's your signal that filtering is now active and ready to use. Now click the filter icon in the header of a primary column that should normally contain data. It's important to choose a column where blank cells would indicate that the whole row is empty or should be removed. In the drop-down menu, click Clear to uncheck all the values. This resets the selection so you can choose only the rows you want to display. After that, scroll to the bottom of the checklist. Check the box next to blanks and click OK. Google Sheets will now isolate only the rows where that selected column is blank. In many cases, these will be the empty rows you want to delete, which makes them much easier to work with. With only the blank rows visible, click the first visible row number on the far left to start selecting them. Then hold down the Shift key and click the last visible row number. This highlights all of the filtered blank rows at once. Be sure you are clicking the row numbers, not the cells, so the full rows are selected properly. Once they're highlighted, right-click anywhere on the selected row numbers and choose Delete Selected Rows from the menu. That will remove all of those blank rows in one step. After deleting them, your sheet should be much cleaner and easier to manage. This is a simple technique, but it can save a lot of time when you are cleaning up data in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.